we have our dashboards categorized into two tabs: employee gender gap analysis and attrition. So I'll start with the employee gender gap analysis. On top of this table, we have our key performance indicators. We have 300 employees. After the cleaning, 203 rows, we are taking down to 300. So we have 300 employees, and the total of male is 169, total of female is 131. The average salary for male is 77,000 naira, and the average salary for women is 76,000 naira. So we look at the percentage of employers that we have. We actually want to see the gender gap between male and female in the organization to assess the gender equality, if there is a gender equality in the organization. So we found out that we have 44% of female and 56% of male, which is like 12%. There is a gender gap of 12% in the organization. And we also look at the gender distribution by roles. And when you look at across roles, see that males are topping in the number of employees at each row. They're higher than number of females. You look at the average salary by gender and roles. The intern are the ones getting the most salary, with a female intern topping the chart. When it comes to managerial position, you have a more male gaining more salary. However, I don't know why interns who are trainees are getting more salary than the other employees. Then we take it down to average salary roles and departments. When you look at across the departments, you see that for the sales, person taking more salary the males. For intern in IT department, you have more females topping the charts for that department. Also, when you look at finance, for managerial role is the male. They have more male in managerial position than female. Then when you look at the age group, we categorize the age group by gender. Most of their staff are aged from 41 to 60, and they're mostly male. When you have lower number of females and males between the ages of 20 and 25. Then for the salary, the people who are performing satisfactorily are getting more salary than people who are performing excellently well. I don't know the reason why. And again, when you look at the people who are just good at what they're doing, their salary is also higher than the people who are performing excellently well, which signifies there's a big problem when it comes to salary distribution in the organization. We have our slicers here that you can manipulate to check for the departments, for HR. You can look at it and see, according to gender, how many people are in different role, depending on the department. Here you have finance, IT. Then you can look at roles, executive, intern, manager. Then you can also look at different age groups to understand more. So when you look at it here, attrition, gender and roles, they have more people who are living in managerial position than for salary. People who are living, their salary are also higher. The more you stay in the organization, the salary is still the same. And the overtime doesn't translate to salary increment. Training hours, the more hours that they're trained, it doesn't translate to better performance rating.